Hello everyone, welcome to part 4 on how to make a GTA 5 style game in Unity3d. Today we're going to be working on very basic AI. When I say basic, I mean literally just look around and walk forward. Later on we'll get onto things like pathfinding and that sort of thing, but for now, yeah, so the first thing we need to do is, right, what we're actually going to do is make it so when you change character, basically the character you aren't controlling will walk back to their house, and when they're there they'll stop. Yeah. So in the player controller, what we need to do, open it up, is go public, character, local character. Yeah, we need to give each instantiated player a instance of itself, essentially. So in game manager, when we instantiate, so c.instantiate, we need to go c.instance.getComponent player controller dot local character equals c. Okay, so now let's get on with AI. So go away. We're gonna name it AI, I guess. Okay, so now just go public player public player controller, and let's just drag this AI script onto each of our characters and keep clicking Google Chrome. So, oh, we have a line endings error. Advanced. Yeah, this is if you get that down there, ends with Mac OS X lines, just do File, Advanced Save Options, and Windows. I'm not totally sure how to do it in mono-develop, but yeah, that's how you do it in Visual Studio. Right, so now on each of our player prefabs, drag AI onto it. Yeah, didn't go very well. AI, boop. What? He's got what do you have? Okay, fair enough. AI, good. Okay, so now we're going to drag, player controller onto the controller for each AI. So player controller, so now, in player controller, what we're going to do is create a float V meaning vertical, float H meaning horizontal, which will replace the input.getAxis vertical. So in update, we need to go in the if can player, we need to go V equals input.getAxis vertical, which sets the input.getAxis vertical to the V variable, and H equals input.getAxis horizontal. Of course, so that, and where we have input.getAxis vertical times 2, replace that V, and then same with H. Okay, so now need to go in update. If just controller dot can play, need to make so it finds the house what we want to do. So sorry. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna make it so it looks at the house. So transform dot look at controller dot local character dot home spawn. And now we want to go v equals, it's alright, controller. Right, I need to make v and h public, but we need to hide them in the inspector, which we can do with the hide in inspector. I can never remember what they're called, these things, but yeah, just put it above any variable you want to be public but hide in the inspector. So now controller.v equals 1. So now this cross should work. Alright. If not controller.canPlay. Not if controller.canPlay. You can see, and then C, switch, oh no, already him. Bends around. Right, so about that. For some reason, it's not working. Okay, what I'm going to actually do is make so you can see both of them in the inspector. Who aren't we playing else? Hang on. Oh, Brinton. Yeah, V is 1. Justin's who we are playing else, so we run away. Switch to him, goes up, comes down, and it's 1, but if for some reason he doesn't walk forward. It's a bit weird. Well, let's just make sure he is looking. Oh, no, I'm only rotating it. Yeah, well, he's looking at it. Huh. Oh my god, you foolish person. Right. If can in play controller, if can play, else where we have 0, replace speed where we set speed to 0, replace 0 with H, and we set direction to 0, replace it with H. That would explain it. God damn. As you can see, they're spinning around. Right, so let's run away a bit. Switch to him, goes up, and he walks home. Yay! Right. And as you can see, he walks home. What we're going to do now is make it so he stops at like less than a meter or something. So and vect3.distance, no, vect3.dix. Oh my god, distance between controller, no, not that, transform.position and the controller local player.home spawn.position, or .position because it's a transform already. No, that's a fail by me though. Stop. I can never remember which way around these go. I believe it's that way, is less than 1, or greater than 1 rather. Right, so the 1 meter away? No. Did I get it around the wrong way? Oh no, I'm already here. I think I may have. Yeah, I did. Okay, I got it around the wrong way, so it's that way. I can never remember which way around greater than or less than go. So now, yeah, as you can see, and then we walk away, run. Switch to him, goes up, he walks, and it should stop about a meter away. It says hard man walk. No, we just, what the hell is he doing? Okay. Right, what we're actually going to do is, where we do the distance, create it on a new line, so instead of and, just do if like that. And then, oh yes, you need to go with the and, otherwise it doesn't work. Go else, set v to 0, controller.v equals 0. Yeah. So now we run away, switch to him. He walks towards the house, and he should literally just stop. Yeah, stops. Good. Very good. Okay, so there's that done. How long does that take? I feel like I should do more. So what I'm going to do is make so he gets a random position between 100 and 100 and just walks there. How's that? So let's create how am I going to do this? I guess we could do it so they walk home before anything else and then they do whatever. So we can go, I guess, public ball at home. Oops. And then where we set vController.speed to 0, we can go at home equals true. Or done home maybe would be better. Done home equals true, and then when we switch to them, so in Game Manager, when we change character, which would be here, we have to go at the very top, c dot instance dot. Hang on, was that again? Oh, it is. C dot instance dot get component AI dot done home equals false. Okay, so now if not control.campaign, if done home, let's create find a random position between, because mine is 100 by 100, I'll do it at 100 by 100, so I'll go vector 3, move vector. Does it, wait, it looks at transform, oh damn it does. Can we make so it looks at a vector 3? Ah, good, we can, very good. Okay, so we can generate a vector, so if move vector equals vector 3.0, which is what we're going to quickly do now, so where we set move vector up here equals vector 3.0. Vector 3.0 is literally just coordinate 0, 0, 0 in the world. That's all it is. If vector 3.0, then go move vector equals no, we're going to switch actually. Let's go float x, y will always be 0 or whatever the heights of, for now it would just be 0, but I guess later on we could do, if we do terrain we could make it so it does the sample height thing, but for now, yeah. Oh, what I've got to do is equal to, actually not equals, remove vector is equal to. Float x equals random dot range between 0 and 100. Float, and float said we don't need float y because that would be 0 just for now. Random dot range between, not random dot rotation, random dot range between 0 and 100. Move vector equals new vector 3, which would be x, 0, and z. The 0 is the y coordinate. So actually what I'm going to quickly do, also when we are at home, so as soon as we enter the home bit, which would be here, we're going to make sure move vector is equal to vector 3.0. This should now work. So what I'm going to do is walk away, or have it so, yeah, it's generated random whatever, although apparently it's constantly generating them, which is a bit odd. I'm not entirely sure why that is. Who am I playing as? I'm playing as Vince. He's not at home. So I'll change to Justin, which I believe is him. And then Vince will get home, generate a random vector. But I don't get that. Vector 3. But it isn't. Which is what I don't get. It's not even equals. What if I, in fact, I'll just go new vector 3 0 0 0. I'll just try that 0 0 0. I know they should be the same value, but maybe they're not. Maybe that's me being stupid. No, they were. Never mind. Okay. How are we going to do? I guess we could create a ball and go generated vector. Oops, generated vector. And where we set home true equals true, do generated vector equals false, and then generated vector equals true, and where we do move vectors equal to 0, and go and generated vector and not generated vector. Or we could just completely get rid of the move vectors equal to vector 0. Let's just do that. So yeah, that's just going to create a random vector so long as that variable is false. Now, please don't be a bastard. What? Why? We do not quite understand that. If done home and if not, yeah. So we're at home and hang on. I'm going to pause it while I debug and get this sorted. Sorry about this. This is the first major problem we run into. Right, it appears I've fixed it. In where we set move vector and generated vector to vector 3 to 0 and false, remove that and just leave everything else as it is, and then we have to go transform.look@. Move vector. This is outside of not generated vector, and then so it looks at the move vector position, and then for some reason we have to set it as 2. Setting it as 1 doesn't seem to work. I'm not entirely sure why that is, but whatever. It doesn't make any difference. It's not like it makes it go faster. I don't understand that. What I'm going to do is make it so it's only between 0 and 10 for now, just for reasons. Just so like they don't have to walk for miles to get to the location. So as you can see, their location is 5 and 9, but they're going to get to the location and just that's going to happen. Right, so what we need to do is if done home, if not generated vector, we need to go if vector 3.distance between transform.position and move vector is equal to that, we need to then generate a new vector, don't we? So go generated vector equals false. That should, so they're constantly walking, never getting a rest. So that, whoa, what the hell? Okay, well they're what? Right, bit odd. Okay. How are we going to do this then? Well, it's a false. I guess we'll have to put the not generated vector bit where it generates the vector at the bottom of everything, maybe. Will that fix it? Perhaps this. What are they doing? What the hell are they doing? Right, they're 1 and 2. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, right. The reason that's not working is because they're going to coordinates 1 and 2, and it's looking for if it's less than 1, meaning that it's always going to be less than 1. So let's do 0.2 2 for now. I mean, later when we increase it, we can make it 1 again, but for now. Oh no, that didn't work. Okay, never mind. What in the hell? Right. Sorry, this is causing problems. Right, the problem was apparently caused by me doing the wrong symbol. Instead of doing the symbol we did up there, do the opposite one, which is shift and then the comma key, in case you didn't know. So now, as you can see, they walk to their location and change, 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 and then we switch to Vince, as you can see, and then I guess we switch to him, and Vince should walk home. Did he? Yes. No. Vince is not home. And then we go to him. Does Vince walk home? Whoa, what's happened? They've stopped. Why have they all stopped? They've each... Right. Well, he's walking home. For some reason now he is, but... Why does he not by default? Right. D. There's a local play. Can we switch characters? That's who we're switching to. Let's see. Let me just try this once more. Maybe that was a one-off thing, because that often happens. So let's switch to Vince, and then to Justin. Vince. Is Vince walking home? No, hold on. Vince has indeed walked home, I think. What I'm going to do actually is create, just so I know where the homes are, create a cube above each one. You don't need to do this, but just so I know where everyone's home spawn is. Oh, and oh, okay, so they're each. Okay, it's far too high. I can't even see them. 3. Wow. So I switch to Vince. No, switch. No, I want Vince to walk away. Actually, switch to him. Vince. Oh, it doesn't. What's that? 0, 0. Didn't do it. What? Well, was that? Okay. Maybe it's the thing where we have to set it to 2 again, because for some reason 1 often doesn't work. I don't know why that is. Let's try it. We'll walk him away. Switch to him. Okay, yeah, now he's walking home. That is very odd. Yes, that is very odd. So switch to him. Vince walks home. Yeah. Okay. That's more than odd, alright. Well, turns out setting V to 1 doesn't work, so we're going to have to set it to 2 every time now. So sorry about the problems we came across. It was that's just very, very odd. I'm not entirely sure why that is, but alright. Works now, so cheers for watching. What we're going to do later on is get into Pathfinder so that they each avoid each other. Maybe like someone in the story's done something and they're all trying to avoid each other, so something like that. Yeah, so cheers for watching. I'll see you in the next one, which will be next Sunday. People have been asking when's the next video. Yeah, I've been doing, the schedule's been since the multiplayer tutorial. I guess nobody's really noticed it, but it's every Sunday. So just in case you didn't know. Alright, so if you like this video, don't forget to punch that like button, share the video and subscribe. Cheers for watching and see you next one.